You guys finished the hills yet? Is this your first time in Providence?
Huh?
Is this your first time in Providence?
My first time?
Yeah.
Doing this year. But this is something, you know, you do every day yourself. You take the trash out yourself. Only thing is you're not dealing with a lot of maggots and all that.
There are more in Providence.
There's a couple dead birds in the last one that I did. I thought it was alive, but the maggots moving around, making it move.
That's disgusting.
Disgusting ain't the word.
I mean, there's not that much maggots in recycling.
Not that much.
I don't really see them.
Sometimes when you lift the lid, you'll just see a pool just sitting there, just moving. All maggots, man.
I had to clean my bin yesterday full of maggots.
Job is tough. The nastiest part is trash doing maggots. That's what I feel.
Yeah.
Other than that, get your muscles up a little bit, you know.
Are you the only people out here?
Huh?
Are you the only people out here?
Nah. You see there's like a lot of other waste management trucks around?
No, doing this route.
Yeah, we're doing this, there's usually, I think there's probably like, sometimes there's probably like 2 trucks on a route just in case one truck misses something. We circle around, we pick it up, or whatever they didn't get.
Yeah.
Trust me, you don't want none of this trash sitting around. Get a picture of it?
Yeah.
See the maggots and stuff?
The other guy didn't finish this route because his wheel exploded.
Say again?
The other guy didn't finish this yesterday because his wheel exploded.
Oh, for real?
I got it on camera too. He was behind. He didn't get any help either. Oh man.
It's a dirty job. Somebody got to do it.
Not supposed to.
Definitely don't need that.
Oh man. I don't think the other guy
Huh?
I don't even think the other guy finished half of Hartford.
So you don't think the other guy did what?
I don't think the other guy finished half of Hartford.
If you said what happened to him the other day, then yeah. Because most likely what would have to happen is with his tire bust, they have to go all the way back, get a new tire, right?
Yeah.
And then come back out here.
No, I watched them fix it. I watched them fix it.
Well, he fixed it right there?
Yeah, over there, Plainfield.
The truck came?
Yeah, the tire truck came.
Oh, okay.
Because they have a contract with some other company.
Shoot. That's even better.
Yeah.
Let's see. Well, you're gonna be seeing me sometimes in the area.
Yeah.
I'm used to doing yard waste, not
Yeah.
trash. But
Providence is running low on men. Providence is running low on men.
you said Providence what?
Are lowing on men. Like, just all the drivers are quitting. Recycling almost didn't get done here either.
Huh?
Recycling didn't even get done either. I mean, it did get done, but almost.
Some of the areas that I've seen,
It's because
like one holiday or something comes up,
it's heavy.
we're backed up a lot.
They had a new guy do recycling yesterday. He almost didn't finish,
Playing catch up.
but he had some help. Surprisingly.
I think they put some extra trucks out. Just so we can play the catch up better.
Yeah, it's because they didn't even finish Tuesday's route either. They had to do it yesterday.
I was doing a Friday route on a Tuesday one time. After the holiday, a lot of stuff, more than this.
Wait a minute. Yesterday, some other guy was doing trash in the split route. All the juice came out. Yeah.